What's going on, visionaries? Gerald Lacey II here. I wanted to tap in a little bit on the subject of relationships and communication as it pertains to perception and how you intake information. I feel that it's extremely important. I was about to say think and feel at the same time, but I also feel that taking a few breaths when in conversation, especially if it's an uncomfortable conversation, can help both parties in the conversation have a slightly different perspective. That way you minimize your tendency to just react and say something that is not really what you feel. Now, after 15 or 30 seconds, if that's how you really feel and you've thought about it, then say it. For the health of the relationship, it's preferable that you deliver that information in a digestible form. If there's something that you really want somebody to listen to or really understand, it's best that you remain calm and deliver that message so it is received how you want it to be received. If you put an extensive amount of emotion behind it and just scream it out, or just deliver it where it kind of sends the person into defense mode, then there is a possibility that the goal will not be accomplished, that they will not heed to your messaging, they will not be willing to make the adjustment, and you guys will begin to self-destruct to whatever capacity it is, even if it's just a little bit. So if the relationship that you're communicating about has value and you want it to continue and you want to extend that relationship in a blissful manner, then be mindful of how you choose to deliver your messaging to your partner or your counterpart, especially if maximum cohesion is the goal. When I consider maximum cohesion when everything is in sync. The synergies have been identified, addressed, assessed, and are to the point where they're natural, even if it took work for it to become natural. It's like working on a jump shot, or working on a golf swing, or working on anything that takes practice playing the piano. It's like at some point, how you swing, how you shoot, how you move your fingers becomes natural because you've put in the time to become an expert at that, to where you're now just reacting to the emotion of how you feel. Like when a musician goes on a real natural run, it's because they're able to deliver their emotions through their fingers, through the sound of the piano that allows you to feel how they're feeling. So visionaries, hopefully that was some insightful information and helps you on your visionary path when it comes to relationships and dealing with people that you love and dealing with people that you are optimistic and hopeful and have faith in having a long-standing relationship with.